What did you do?
Hey guys, check out this new cane my grandma let me borrow from the nursing home. I told her it'd come in handy because I work with some elderly coworkers.
No, this is one of those rotating earwax removers.
I don't know, it kind of looks like a lightsaber that Larry started to build and gave up on and said, next.
Those are all great ideas, and I would love to have this be Larry's next birthday present, but you're all wrong. This is the TV lift actuator motor used in the televator lift system. It provides the power needed to smoothly raise and lower the TV lift mechanism. You can see it includes the motor and integrated threaded actuator rod. The motor drives the threaded actuator rod that raises and lowers the television smoothly and consistently. Altogether, they provide reliable, controlled motion whenever the lift system is activated. It's a part of the internal structure of your televator lift.
Thank you for watching another episode of What Is It? Leave your wrong guesses in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Sit still so I can clean your ears.